Hey everybody, this is Tanya Atomic, and I am going to be reviewing the new Star Wars Mandalorian palette from Colourpop. This is a 9-pan palette, and it is a companion of the Child palette, which I also have and love. And here's the palette front and back in the carton. And the palette itself, it looks the same, front and back. It is just missing the ingredients list here. This is a pressed powder palette, so, and it is cruelty-free. Here's what it looks like. It's small, it's compact, it's got beautiful cover art, and open it up. It does have a plastic protector. Here is the mirror with Mandalorian and Child, and it says, "Wherever he goes, I go," which is so sweet. There's a little froggy up in the top, and here are all the shades. I did use them to make my eye look, and so as you can see, the dark brown kind of stains the palette a little bit here. I just tried cleaning it off, and while it cleans up a little bit, you're still going to get a teeny bit of staining. But it does have some darker browns, and I think that's just what you're going to get with a light color palette like that. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these, and I'm going to swatch the Child palette to compare. So let's go across this way. So we have Beskar Steel, Navarro Sand, and Banta Trax. And let's just swatch like this. As you can see, the colors are super rich. Then we have Imperial Credits, or Imperial Credit, Clan of Two, which is a beautiful green to red shifting color, and Tatooine Glimmer, which is a brown, mid-brown shimmer. There's those. These colors are really rich, really pigmented, really soft. I really dig these shadows. I'm really into these. Then Mythosaur, This Is the Way. So this is Mythosaur, This Is the Way, and Creed. These are two mattes here. And this is a matte with a little bit of sparkle in it. That's the colors. Those are the colors all swatched. And as you can see, they're really rich colors. They're really good. They're good. So this is the Child palette here. I'm just gonna quickly swatch them here in my hand. Now here's the Child palette. And as you can see, it's a really great companion piece to the other. So these are mostly greens and golds with some peach and brown. And this is really a lot of browns and grays. But they really make a good companion piece to each other. Looking at this palette, I could see how if you go across this way, this way, this way, you can make a look. Or you could, mix and match. Anyway, it's like Connect 3. You could play Connect 3 and make a look. And you can mix and match as well. There's also this shade in here, Clan of Two, this middle shade that's a green to red shift, that I have other colors like that. I have green to red shifts in other palettes and in a single. And it's such a nice color to put on the lid. And the cool thing about this color is you can smoke it out and make sort of a gradient. And it becomes like this one and done color, because you can do the darkness on the, wherever you want more depth, and then smoke it out, and it gets redder as you smoke it out. So it becomes this multi-dimensional shade that you can just one and done really, really easily. And it looks like there's a lot of dimension, like you put a lot of effort into it and use several colors when you really only use one. So that is such a cool shade. And you can like blend it out even more. And it just ends up looking so rich and multi-dimensional. So I'm going to show you what I did to get this look right here. Okay, let's dive right in. I'm going to go into Banta Tracks first. Sort of a dark peach. I'm going all over the eye, but I'm focusing on the crease. Okay, next, I'm just going to use the same brush and go into Mythosaur here, sort of using the other side of the brush. And I'm going to focus that on my crease and outer corner. Both shadows look really smooth and blend into each other really nicely. Next, I'm going to go into, I'm going to try Creed. And I'm just going to use my finger and I'm going to just stamp it here, just on the outer side, so that I still get a little sparkle. So that's pretty. I'm seeing a little bit of glimmer. I don't know if you're seeing it. I don't know if you can see it, but I see it in the mirror here. I see a little bit of sparkle. Then I'm going to go into Tatooine Glimmer. And next, Imperial Credit right here. And I'm just using my finger for all the shimmers. And then I'm going to go with this pencil brush. I'm going to go into the Scar Steel right here. The shimmers are so creamy, actually. And I'm going to go into this gray. This is the Way. So I'm going to take This Is the Way and just go on the lower lash line here. Okay, I'll finish up and be right back. Okay, I am back, and if you want to know what I think about this palette, I'm gonna say I love it. I love this palette. I'm so glad I got it. I think it's really versatile, one thing. You can go very neutral with it. You can go silver. You can go gray. You can go this fancy duochrome in the middle there. And like I said, you could do it all over the lid. You can, you know, do a very brown look. You can do a dramatic brown look, a dramatic gray look. You know, super shiny. Super shiny. It's so pretty. It's not, you know, super versatile with so many colors, but it's versatile enough within this small curated color scheme that I think it's impressive. I really do like this. The shimmers are so creamy and so easy to use with a finger or pencil, with a finger or with a brush. And the mattes were very smooth, very little kick up, and no fallout, and blended really well together. So I really like the quality. I think it's so dang cute. It is so cute. I love the color scheme and the art, the package art. I think it's such a great companion piece. They really do, let's do it this way, they really do go together. Yeah, I'm really happy I have it. It was relatively inexpensive, and you get really good quality shadows and an interesting color scheme, and I definitely think it's worth it. It's a, I suggest it to any Star Wars fan, any Mandalorian fan, you know, who's also a fan of makeup, and anyone who kind of likes that taupey, kind of cool toned color scheme. I didn't get a chance to use this kind of mustardy, yellowy color, but I'm looking forward to using this palette many times. Please consider subscribing and like the video if you like what you saw, and let me know what you think of these palettes, if you have them, if you're picking them up, picking one up or the other up, or if you're a Star Wars fan, let me know. I myself am a Star Wars fan. Give me your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.